Yamu achemu akwa Badwam TV Badwam so. Yadanita ekote gwase nkwanshen sema no pen so odia breye. Dedu so no Adom TV Badwam kase. Samno no yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini. Osofo ya ohwe communications so akọ parliament achirem nienti amenne internet honsam no aye bibie wo ho ye de honsam no ebebro. Yebobwera ye ensamfofro mu na amensi akrache empanifo ahodo wo amensini ahodo ba miensemu ewo mfimfin mantemu se contractor na wo ye Cape Coast kwantempo no eya kaso Cape Coast no osere ni die mu a ensure pipes na otwetwam no die wanhwa na yare bia unity wo ho fi se adehye wo ho enyansuo no meno ne nsemi na no pay mede somo Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwa me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV 2 ubenya Adom so ewo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said and some nchiremu ankasa etie osofo ya ohwe communications so eye esla wusu ekufo ene wo se de ekoso ewo ye internet mu no eye natural nye obia na ye bibi eye ade ebesi wakomro so beje fie makocheche nsem ni mu Adom TV kase etwaso
omoko yinam ewo pumu ana pumu hyen a enam eso na ete ahoma no bibi na si ewo punase a esei saa ahoma no mpanimfo a ewo nindie wo mu asusu hu se ebeye se asase bi woso ye ewo suo na se enti ena ema saa cables ni nyina ehu ekaye NCAC ebeteki na watri enum na omo asiesia omudika ebise afei na omo be kwakorwe spare parts e dia be repair baabia asen afei na woso omo hwehwe baabi poten a yi cable no ekate afei na woso omo fa epo shenya ebetumi edi se adwuma o specialized vessels a edi se adwuma nti ombe bobo omo ho ombe dru ha sei na osome ye atwam na MCA nyina edi adase se eye yie ade achi ade se nyina eye yie eba ente se ansa nkwada de mo de nanso eye sen ya wada se de ye nyina ye call off na ye ntumi use internet na ade achi ade se nyina na eye yie ba enti corporators no eda ho a edinsa wo so ehwe kwan yo befa so a ombenya even more capacity mienu bi ekuano cable a eno so efa ewo Nigeria ene Togo ena another one wayok cable bi so a eno so wax tape bi eno so ewo Nigeria ni mienu so no mo nyina ehwe kwan se ombetumi eyusu enti se ka kwan bebre na se eka mienu ba ko mienu bi pe ne nyina ye fa so a ya enya traffic jam kakra congestion eba so ni nyina ka ho bi na internet no aye slow sa amne wa reshem se enche ombetumi asiesie ni asai no na yetumi enya capacity
Bainto akasedo so na yanko yensam foforo mo na amensini ne district chief executives ahodo ewo Gomua East efutu ene Gomua Central won mo bo afuye papa wo contractor no a wono ye kasoa winiba kwantempo no se ne ensuo drobe na enenam kwanu mu wahwetwe mu nti adehye wo kasoa no ne mpotamu nsuo eho aye den de wo musoro nsa wanhwa na ensuo mu yare unity fi se ensuo wo mo no no nya papa de onde ye adwuma nso nya papa Adom TV kase etwaso.
The problem is the main pipelines are on nam kwano ho or serve communities near Aboboti de ko akwiti pure water funa ni keka ho ina wadame we pipelines no nti source of water are a problem for those places and it's a source of worry how I imagine Sunday area dodo and contractors no oh I imagine cry in the basin day promises and they are just giving excuses.
Komwa Central Mensini Krache Benjamin Kojo Otu enso ene amane boni etwetwe nkomo afa saa hawi amanfo no enemu no ena wodi tu dwa se ade a eya ewo mu ne se contractor wo yi kwan no woni Mensini Krache fo a wo saa kwan no so nyina no eni nkita ho ansa na wo hye adwuma na se nanso ni nyina mu no efutu Mensini Krache ene efutu manhene nyenye gati ene contractor yedi nkita ho wahye wo no mo bose oba behwe no apa kwan pa obeboa manfo na mu onye nsuo anom.
Highway engineer na wa be a middleman between on and contractor and the Orsham Wire. This is the za working ubidido. See if you by 2-3 days there za China and the pay come using abama nsu abama dams a war no ma onye no kwa se hwede grafo or tapping insuna a leaking kakranka no wadre kai adi ofie na na it's not healthy. In Paban Beza and I'm going to be a YouTube Ebaswaba. Many regional ministers Sumpo and the PR is one common.
Casiano so now o my Ghana Yamiashayem pa Badia Dumyen and Yama who will be a boa Emma Adishia Timunya Mumfa so be any so now so a nay yen so say any city and nipabi. Enti enensua ka wonuma man kwanom ne ade no so dodo no adane awuduo ede amaye na one more ede sansem way to dwa na ewiase nyina da yayi ede asi ho ebo nsuo hu dawro ye kan nsuo hu nsam na sansem bebeto dwa Adom TV kase etwase
5 we were around 86, so we had very good water resources in terms of the percentage. Then Galamsey started, and then we started losing some of our rivers. The turbidity levels are very high. If we're able to fight Galamsey and waste disposals, I think we should be getting back to the same 86%. Ghana's water resources is actually going down in terms of the quality. We are having degradation of our water bodies due to land use activities as indicated in the morning. However, we also have some parts of Ghana where we have quite a lot of good water resources. If you look at the Volta Basin system, all the way from the northern part of Ghana to Akosombo Dam, the level of Galamsey activities there is very minimal. So for some areas, we have good water quality. In other areas, we have bad water quality.
So afọ abi de chira wo hwe ahonidie ene ensuo so ko dwumade na sibi ono nso ne nsem wo de tudwa no ye ntie bi.
For now we are water secured, but we have to make effort that we don't go down the drain, because if good ambient water at the moment is 58.8%, it's a good percentage. But if we don't handle it well and then it goes and eventually get below 50%, that is where the danger will be. So you as a media must help us so that we'll continue to fight to ensure that we rather improve, but we don't go downwards. Ability to get it right will continue to reduce this percentage, and eventually it affects the water that we can treat and pump to homes of Ghanaians.
Na we are some building construction material shop sawmill so eka ho wo tuba runabout ega south mensimu won kran ha ija to mu ahye no ya some pa ma Adom kase akopie ho etwaso
na ebo anadu be 10 o'clock morning na me de minya call me phone me kwa na madan ti mini bi tutu na me de sorry na me ni mechi ba from say ija to your shop nti no me de me rashi ba ha no nti me ba nya say ija no the way I see fire ni ntimi de enku na say fire service for na say mo adwuma nti ni from mo ba nya say nyama ni nyina ahye omam bantem bedu omo bantem angasa nka ye hu ne ye hu
how the blend the say ya ye hu ye mo an e betumi asrese bia mo bi wo ho a mehwe no mo hu mo betumi de abo ya master na ye hu friend okay be sere ye de adesere de to onabo slide anim said yes na na yan ti enu o mehwe na ohun mo a betumi de abo
ADO2 Alex Kennedy, Assistant Divisional Officer, PR Department, our Ghana National Fire Service, say for war and more. Yamra Shabeja ni Assembly, so said one more come home, one more nanya, one said yes, say, or Mema Dumja and Krabata Bembe, yemro no ahodo no nti ene eja etobia bi a echichichichi ansa na wanya dum gya wo ho no watumi abedum na de ohaw so bara hosem asiye wo taifa bokina na pani kopie ho a ohaw a wo mo fa mu ni mu atete ode sansemi etudwa
O2 Alex Kinati eye penya woko odumja adwumako ni mu a woboa eye wo mo amanebo ehonsem ni bi ansa na wodi nsem we etudwa no na omanfo mo ewo taifa bokina ene abrese krodom sanse ene dayi ena eja ehye adankora enum a eno so de nam ene wodi nsem yi etudwa
area mu ha nyina taifa bokina barrier area mu ha nyina fire service station ni ha ekwa kodome fire service mra around her mayen.
Edin pa said the whole yenya fire service car. Bokina Taifa Bokina yenya fire service car. Anya ana be free buy and be free buy. Osu buy the whole yenya fire service car. On buy na dan nyina ase.
Omanfo yinsem enyi no na Alex Kinate chese wodi ho yawo esempanyefo a wosampotami mu nyina no entumi si ginaye emma wodumja dwumako na tenaye enko ehonom.
Most of the assemblies MPs before some of these areas they are sleeping on their jobs because your responsibility is to your people. Say overbom call for a home buy in some more home buy in terms of security, now home buy in terms of safety, and now why cost 90 we mamu a dino losing structural integrity just on bubu dino na comfort do be we hour enya dey a obebubu odan ye be say assemblies a omo ni authorities a omo Ashoman Kwabenya Taifa Domi La Paz Alaji Tabora Soutum Yemi fire station ho
Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pay mede asie aseda no ye wodia emre ne adaje a wode ma yenti mede de afia amankwa tamaklo me kwa basima be mienu hu afade na hu se ne fufuo besu wo ha no pay wati ase me kwa basisi e de bon krata ne online stories abeka yensa no adaroma ye de asomo me kwa ba